Nothing beats the flavor of homegrown tomatoes, and with so many delicious applications, they are the most versatile crop on the vegetable plot. Growing tomatoes is more difficult than growing other vegetables, but the challenge makes the end result so much more rewarding. Because the fruits are heavy feeders, fertilizing tomatoes is an important part of the process. Commercial tomato feeds are widely available, but making your own tomato fertilizer is natural, effective, and usually free of charge. Discover the key ingredients for making effective homemade tomato fertilizers, ideal for growing an organic vegetable garden. Number 1. Banana peels. Banana peels make an excellent natural tomato fertilizer because they are high in nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, while low in nitrogen. The most effective way to apply banana peels to tomato plants is to chop them into small pieces and mix them into the soil around them, or to make banana peel tea. It is best to let the peels break down before using the tea. My channel features a complete video on how to make banana peel tea. I'll also include a link in the description box. 2. Vegetable peels. Vegetable peelings are high in nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, and make excellent compost. However, they can be buried in the planting hole before the tomatoes are planted. Ideally, do this a few months before planting to allow the peelings to degrade. To get faster results, make vegetable peeling tea and use it as a liquid plant fertilizer. Simply place your peelings in a container, cover with water, and leave to steep for a day or two. Strain and pour around the plants. On number 3. Cooking water. Instead of discarding the cooking water from boiling vegetables, pasta, and rice, let it cool and then use it to water your tomatoes. This cooking water is loaded with nutrients like phosphorus, nitrogen, iron, and calcium. However, it must be unsalted or you will kill the plants. 4. Onion peel. Onion peels are high in nutrients like potassium and calcium, making them a useful addition to homemade tomato fertilizer. You can use the dry outer skins of both red and white onions. There are 2 ways to use onion peels. Grind them down and sprinkle them in the soil, or soak them in water for a week, strain, and use them as a powerful liquid fertilizer for tomatoes. On number 5. Epsom salt. Epsom salts contain magnesium and sulfur and are commonly used as a natural plant fertilizer. Most plants benefit from them only when they lack magnesium. Tomatoes, on the other hand, thrive when given magnesium supplements in the form of Epsom salts. Epsom salts can cause more problems than they solve, so use them sparingly and ideally test the soil first. Instead of sprinkling salt into the soil, you can dilute it with water. Apply about a tablespoon per gallon of water at planting time and no more than once a month thereafter. Alternatively, using diluted Epsom salts as a foliar spray will help tomato plants absorb it more quickly. Don't forget to watch the video links in the description for recipe and detailed instructions on making your own sprays and nutrient-dense fertilizers. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more gardening tips and tricks.